Just to quickly introduce you to the Airpure candles. If you've never tried them before, never seen them before, these are the Airpure. They are a really nice, strong smelling candle. If you're used to the big brand, you know the big one, I won't mention their name, beginning with Y. These are super similar, in my opinion, very similar. Obviously, you've got the lovely glass jar there, so nice and strong, really giftable. Candles to me, when everyone does Secret Santa, I always go, just get someone a candle. I've never known anyone to get upset by getting a really gorgeous candle. This one is obviously comes in the glass jar with the lid and the plastic seal. The seal is important. It does keep the scent in and stops it from naturally disappearing. I could smell that coming out. It's gorgeous. This is the vanilla cupcake, and who does not love a vanilla cupcake? See what I mean about it being really giftable? If you got this in your Secret Santa, you'd be absolutely chuffed to bits, or your Christmas stocking. I'd be really happy if I got this. It has a really nice fill line. It's got the good length of wick there. Really lovely sweet smell, not sickly at all. It's a really nice, beautiful, sweet but subtle smell, like a really nice vanilla. It's vegan and it's 510 grams, so absolutely cracking. So if you're looking for a little gift or treat for yourself, I do recommending, before you check out any other brands, just try one of these. I think you're going to be really pleasantly surprised at the swap out would be really good for you. So yeah, I hope that's been helpful, and thank you for watching.